Hello everyone, welcome to this live stream, which is the fifth one. So we already created 4 videos before that. So in this video, this is very much special because I will be creating some carousels that will be like slider of collections, slider of products, circular sliders as well. So just watch this video completely and you will get to know that how fruitful this will be. So in this video, we are going to deal with showcase theme. This is also the paid version of theme. If you need that theme, I will definitely send you a copy of that, which you can try in your store. So if that fits, then you can use it. Okay, so let's get started. So firstly, you can see on my screen, I have completed one of the store for my customer. So he actually needed the collection slider, but that must be circular. So you can see in front of me, like this was the circular slider which last night I created. So today I will show you that how I will do for this development store, which I will be creating in front of you. Okay, so you can see that I have installed showcase theme. So I'm going to the customize section first of all, and I'm going to remove everything from there so that I should do it from the very beginning. Okay, so these are all the sections which we have already. So I'm going to remove all those sections from here and we will start over. Okay, so this is the empty screen. You can see if I am going to save the changes and going back to the store, let me click on preview, and here you can see that we have empty screen. Okay, so let's go back and let's start with the customizations. So firstly, for example, I am on this screen. You should click on customize and we have to click on add sections, and the first section should be like slideshow maybe, because this should be on the top. So click on that and we have to upload some images. So I'm going to click on this select image, or maybe you can also click here explore free images and click on any of this category and scroll it down maybe and select any of the better image which you likes and click on save. So another image you can upload from here, maybe with the woman fashion. So for example, I am using this one or this one, maybe this one is better. Okay, and the third image I am going to choose here with this category. Amazing. So one more thing is like if I'm clicking on slideshow, so these images are looking a little bit more bigger. Yeah, if you are clicking on adopt, then it is much more bigger. If you are clicking on fixed, then little bit smaller, and fixed height is more smaller. So you can actually reduce the height and width from here. Okay, and then click on save. And next section is click on add section, and we have featured collection. Okay, so let's quickly do all the sections and then after I will move ahead with the slider part. So for example, I am selecting a new arrival and here we go. Okay, then after we have another section of featured product. So you can choose any of the product and that will be placed here. So here we go. Then after we have another section which is collection list. So that means we have multiple collections and those will be listed here. So I should choose the collection from here. I have only 3 collections for now. I will create more because I need also the slider. And the third collection is this one. Amazing. Now we are going to move ahead with another section which is related to rich text. So this will be related to, for example, about us and stuff. Okay, about us. Okay, and you can paste the content here, but right now I don't need. I'm just exploring that what are the sections we have into this theme. Click on media and text, and here we need to choose a media maybe. So scroll it down and here we have some options. So maybe I am choosing this image, yeah, or this image. Perfect. And this is, yeah, left and right you can change the position. So maybe I'm putting it on the right side. Then after you should you can update the text here. All right. Media size, fill, or maybe natural. If you are making it natural, then it will be more larger. If you are making it fill, so that will be more compact. Click on save. And then after we have another section which is slideshow, which we already did. Now we have newsletter. So let's put a newsletter. Here we have subscribe to our newsletter. So this is pretty simple. You can also put a background image behind it. So how you can do that? So for example, I'm selecting this. That image should be little bit I mean that should not be much more. Yeah, for example, I'm using this. Yeah, this is also not looking good. Okay. Yeah, this is looking better. Or maybe this one. Yeah, this one is better. Okay, this image is the background of this subscribe to our newsletter. And then after we have another section which is about the video. So if you have any video, you can embed here. So basically we are right now interested to put here the YouTube video. So you should go to YouTube and you can write here like fashion clothing brand videos, and here we go. Here we have this. So you can embed this video or any other video which you like. Amazing. And then we have cover image. So you can choose a cover image for this video. So for example, this one, or maybe, yeah, this video. This is better. Okay, so if someone is clicking on it, then it will automatically play. Fashion, or maybe clothing brand. Okay, then click on save. And now the next section is we have blog posts. Right now we have no blog post, so this will look like this. Actually we have multiple options here. You can select a specific blog. Right now we don't have any blog, so it will not be here. We can change the number of blog posts here, view link, show date, and everything. So let's save the changes, maybe keep it as it is. And then we have another section which is related to custom liquid. So again, yesterday I already mentioned you like custom liquid is helping us to add additional code which we have ready-made. For example, you have a button to show, so you have the code but you don't have the section. So this is the option where you can actually copy and paste the code and it will work. So let me give you an example. So yesterday I gave you an example of image. So for example, I'm going to Google and I am saying like top brands. So here we have top brands. So maybe what exactly I'm going to do here is top brand bar. Wait a minute. Logos. Actually, I'm looking for something related to this. Yeah, let's use this for example. So this is the image, open image in new tab. So I'm going to copy this, and then after, what I am interested to do here is I'm going to embed that image here. So you should write image src equals to double quotes and paste that image, and you should also write width equals to 100%. Okay, so you can see that the specific image is onto our screen. Okay, so that's how you can embed anything onto your Shopify. Okay, so this is looking better. Click on add a section. We have background video, which we already explored. Yeah, we had a video before. Okay, this was simple video and this was the background video. So let's see what's the difference. Yeah, this is the background video. So let me use another video. Women clothing brands. Women clothing brands, for example this one. So this video I'm going to embed, and I'm going to close everything, and then let me paste it here. So here we go. Now you can see that we have beautiful video which is auto played in the background. Okay, you can remove this heading and stuff if you don't need. You can put some text like buy latest products maybe, and then click on save. So this is looking more attractive. Okay, and then after we have one more thing, you know, we have the button option. So you can put here buy now, and maybe let me remove that text because that is looking more ugly. Yeah, which text? Where we have that text? Yeah, this one. So I removed that text and buy now button is there. Okay, you can connect a specific product or maybe collection. So for example, I am connecting this product. So automatically if someone is clicking on this button, and he will be landed to that specific page. Got it? Then we have another section which is related to expanded content. So that is something related to FAQ section maybe. So you can make it FAQs, and then after you can put a lot of questions here, and you can also add some icons. So for example, question 1. Okay, and then we have content, we have question 2, we have different icon here, we have question 3, different icon here, we have another, and one more question I am adding here. Okay, great. So now you can see that we have a lot of things here, like all the questions are mentioned, and yeah, this is looking more beautiful now. So mostly we put this on FAQ page, but right now we have on home page just to explore all the sections, because these sections you can put anywhere on your store. So click on add a section, new section, let's explore. So that is related to gallery. So let's see. So tell your story, click on it and explore some images. Maybe let's see, one more image we should add. Okay, great. So this is one image, this is second image, and we have another image, maybe this one. We have another image. Gotcha. Okay, great. Now you can see that this is looking more beautiful now. Okay, then after we have another section, click on it. We have image with text overlay. So what does it mean? It means like this. So for example, you are exploring an image. So let's see, for example, I am putting something this like this, and you can imagine like how beautiful it is now. Then we have another image, another section, which is like map. So here we have the same thing which we discussed yesterday, that we need to put a Google Map API, because in that way you will able to locate your location. Okay, but for now we are just putting an image and that's it. Then after we have the second section, which is scrolling text. So this is the text which is kind of marquee text. So you can write something related to 50% discount. So you can change the text size. Can you see? Yeah, and you can also increase or decrease the speed. So right now speed is a little bit slow, so I increased a little. Okay, and left to right, or maybe right to left. So mostly right to left. Yeah, add gap between text, or maybe you can remove it, so you can put the text. Amazing. Now let's move ahead with the next section, which is testimonials. So we have testimonials. So basically you can put the text according to your choice. You can say maybe we can write here customer 1. In the same way we have customer 2, customer 3, and you can also upload their images. So basically this will look more beautiful if we are uploading their images like this. These are looking more bigger, so I will adjust it. Wait a minute. This is the second image. We have maybe this one. Then we have the third customer. Yeah, great. So now let me see like how this is looking. This is like scrolling. Okay, okay, so this is how now we have. Wait a minute. Testimonial on left, testimonial on right. Yeah, so this is like this one, image is on the left and text is on the right, right, left, left, right. So this is yeah, looking more attractive. So if you want, you can actually reduce the size of all these things, but right now we don't have enough time to customize this, because our target is to create the collection slider also. So that's why for now we can keep it as it is, and then let me save the changes. So you can also change the stars. Can you see? We have 4 star, 3 star. So if we are putting 3 star, so for this we have 3 star, for this testimonial we have 3 star, for this 5 star, for this 5 star. Okay, then we have another section which is related to text column with media. Let's see what does it mean. This is also similar to the testimonials. So let me see. Yeah, wait a minute, let me upload some images. So these will also be related to testimonials. Yeah, we have something related to, yeah, this image is looking more bigger, so let's change it. So you can select from library. Yeah, great, that's it. So these are looking little bit better. Let me change the first one also. Yeah, this one. No, Yeah, this is looking more beautiful. Okay, then click on save. So let's see the preview. You can see that we had nothing on the home page. If I'm refreshing it, now you can see that we have everything back. So these are the collection. I mean, this was the slideshow. Second is the featured collection. Third is the featured product. Then we have collection list. Then we have about us section. We have media and text. Then we have subscribe to our newsletter. Then we have video. So can you see, this is the video. Then we have another with yeah, this was the blog, and this was the custom HTML which we added. And then we have background video. So if we are clicking on buy now, automatically redirected to specific product. Okay, then we have another thing which is FAQ section. So you can see that you can put the question, you can put the answers. Then we have the gallery. So here we have beautiful images which are making our store much more attractive. And we have images with text overlay. So background we have image, and on the top we can actually mention any specific message to our customers. Then we have the map, but right now we don't have any map. This is the marquee effect. So in most of the cases, people always been interested in adding this section into their stores. So if you have needed, I have already a video on YouTube. So maybe I'm giving you the hint, like marquee effect in Shopify. Okay, so can you this is the video I already created. So I mentioned that how you can create a marquee sliding announcement bar. Okay, so you can watch this video and you will get to know that how you can create it for any other store also. Then we have the testimonials. So you can see we have these testimonials. Then we have text and column. So all these things are here. Okay, so that's good. Now we are going back to our important point, which is related to collection slider. So how we can create that. So the first point is that scroll it down and click on add section, click on featured collection, or maybe wait a minute, featured collection. Yes, so inside the collection we have multiple products. So let me click on new arrival, click on select, and then we have carousel. So here we go. Now you can see that we have a carousel where we have some products which are sliding. Okay, so if we are putting per row products 4, then this slider will go like this. Okay, okay, perfect. Now we are interested to change this specific thing to a collection slider, because right now we don't have collection slider. If we are clicking on collection list, and we can see that we don't have, oh, we have it. So that means we don't need to do anything else. Just we need to select the collections. Click on collection. For example, this collection. Then we have another collection. Then we have this collection. So wait a minute, I'm going to create some more collections. Click on products, click on collections, click on create a new section, create a new collection, and I can write here like best seller. Okay, and then click on save, and we can add an image here. Sorry, yeah, we can add it here basically. Okay, leave it. Let me choose the products first. So for example, these are the products, and then after, let me refresh it back, scroll it to the bottom, and here we have 3 collections displaying. So let me click on collection list, and you should choose, for example, 3 collections, and automatically there should be a collection grid. Yeah, click on collection and click on new collection, bestseller, and let me create one more collection, create another collection, highest paid, and then after you should click on save and click on browse, and we have for example these products, and then after you should go back and click on add a new collection, and we have bestseller. Okay, click on save. So you can see that we have bestseller collections here. Wait a minute, let me remove that from the bestseller. I'm going to remove this product. Okay, let me remove this one also, this one also. Let me keep it only one, and branded products, I think into this. I'm going to remove this. Yeah, this one is better. Now let's refresh. Okay, great. Now this is looking more beautiful. Can you see? These are all collections which we have. These two are looking more similar because both the products are same. So let me see where exactly. Yeah, this one. So let me remove this, and now you can refresh it back. Scroll to the bottom, and here we go. Now you can see that everything is looking good. Not looking good, bro. Why? Wait a minute. Here we have red, a red color, and into branded. Yeah, this is also the red one. That's why. Let me see. Scroll to the bottom, and then after you can see that yeah, this is still not looking good. Which one, which collection? Yeah, this is the bestseller, this is also the bestseller. That's why. So sorry, I added twice. We have 1 2 3 4 collection only. 1 2 3 4. We have new arrival, home page, highest paid we have not added. Yeah, that's the problem. Now we can see that this is the exact thing which we had to display. Highest paid, bestseller, branded products. Okay, inside of branded products we have nothing. If we are scrolling it to the bottom, yeah, now we are at the right stage. Okay, can you see? So this image is a little bit bigger because we have not actually, wait a minute, sorry, yeah, we have to click here. Yeah, because We have the bigger image, that's why. We have bestseller, highest paid. Maybe we should change highest paid. We can add any other product maybe. So sorry. Branded products. Okay. In the highest paid, it should be good now. Yeah, this is looking little better. So maybe let me remove this for now, because the image is not looking better. So maybe let me add the same product which we have here. Maybe you should scroll it down, and here we have all the images, and this is looking more beautiful. Okay, now our purpose is to make it circular. Okay, so right now this is good, but we need is in the circle. So how we can do that? You should go back to the dashboard, click on online store, and here we have three dots. Click on that, click on edit code. So we need to find something related to collection list. Okay, so we have list. You should search. We have collection list. So you should click on add a new section, and you can write here circular collection. So we are actually creating a new collection list. Remove the code, copy and paste this existing code from collection list, and then after you should change the name. Maybe here is the collection list. You can write here collection slider. All right, and you should scroll here, also paste the name here, paste the name here. Okay, that's it. So this specific collections circular collection should be appearing here. Okay, so you should scroll it down all the way down, and you should click on add a section and scroll it down. You can see that this is collection slider, and we should have something related to circular collection. CAR. Wait a minute. Circular collection. We have circular collection. Okay, collection slider. Actually we have added collection slider, not circular collection. Okay, so this collection slider with this collection. Okay, so we need to change the name actually. Circular collection, collections. So this is better. Circular collection. Okay, and then refresh it again, and you will see that the section should appear here in the list of the sections. You should scroll it down, click on add section, and here we go. Can you see circular collections? So you should click on it. So we have circular collection. So all these collections we have already. So let's add few more. So again the same way like we did before. Click on bestseller, click on any other one, click on the third one which is highest paid or home page. We have the fourth one which is related to new arrival. Okay, and we have the fourth one. Fourth one, for example, again I am adding bestseller. Okay, and for this bestseller let me choose any other image. Maybe let's see, I am adding this image. Yeah, this image is looking better. Okay, maybe we can add something more. We have this, choose highest paid, but change the image to different one, this one. Okay, gotcha. And then we are interested to make it circular, so click on carousel and then click on save. Got it? So in the front end it will look like this. Yeah, this is the circular slider which we have added just now. Now we are interested to remove this. We are going to put some circle. Its look should be circular. So I am also going to put number of per rows 4, because that way it will look more better. Let me refresh it back. Yeah, great. Okay, so this is looking a little beautiful. So here we have circular collection. On the top we are going to add here a class name, circular dash collection. Okay, then click on save and we are going to refresh it back, and then after right click on inspect, and then we are going to add some border radius. So you can see that we should find out like where exactly we can put the border radius. So for example this one, maybe let me try border radius 50%. So is it working? No, this is not working, so we don't need to put it here. Let me put it here. Yeah, great, awesome. So that means this is working here. So we need to copy this class name, and at the top we are going to put class, style, style, and inside of it we are going to put the CSS, but this should be under the class name which we have just now added, circular collection. So can you see circular collection? The same class which we have added into the div of this one, this div. Okay, so you should copy, and at first you should write this, so that this CSS should only implement it to collection slider. Got it? Then we have border radius 50%. Sorry, we need to add semicolon. Please make sure to add the CSS similar to this. Can you see circular collection, product block inner, and border radius 50%. Okay, then click on save and let's refresh. Here we go. Now you can see that this is looking more beautiful than before, because this is the circular collection. Earlier we had only simple collection. Now we have circular collection slider. So if you need into your store, then definitely you can copy and paste the things. And if you have any problem or something, you can definitely contact me. I will help you out in that, because in some cases most of the people has different stores, different themes. So if they need, then they can ask me. I will definitely help them out. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being consistent with me, because until you are being consistent, I will definitely try my best to make the videos more productive. If you have any idea or something, you can ask me. I will try to implement those stuff on these live streams. So thank you so much. So see you in the next live stream. So until that be tuned with that.